Hi everyone. Happy New Year. I hope this year will be great for you guys. I hope you find joy in this year, prosperity, abundance, and just have a fun and great year. Today I just want to talk about my goals. I made a vision board and all that, so I have a ponytail, sorry. I'm gonna just mostly do my videos from like where my bed is from now on because I kind of like the aesthetic of my background right here. Although I do like my little display before I take it down, my Christmas display. Oh, that is so cute. But anyways, I wanted to show that off. Um, I want to sit here and talk to you guys about my goals for the new year. I'm gonna sit you guys back down. Um, what I have planned and things like that. Um, God has blessed me in 2020. I gotta say that year has been great to me. On a personal level, I totally get it wasn't for everybody, but God has truly been merciful for me that year. And I was in debt, and I was turned out to be debt free. um and which was a big relief, a big, huge relief, guys. I was so stressed. I mean, I'm still have school debt, so we're not going to even talk about that. But I was drowning in a lot of medical debt and credit and all that stuff. So I'm glad that that's over. God has blessed me tremendously with $10,000 to start a business. And he also, my goal was to make $1,000 by the end of the year. Uh, and I started in what, August, late August or mid August, so September, October, November, December. So in 4 months, I had made $850 total in sales for my business. So I'm glad that I was pretty much close, and I'm really happy about that. So God has blessed me with a great business. These are my lashes that I am wearing, so it's pretty cool. And so what was I saying? Yeah, so God has blessed me, and I just believe that God is going to elevate and recover this year, and restore this year. So last year I prayed to God on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, because every time New Year the ball drops, watch church service, I get on the floor and I pray. And I was praying to God. I was like, God, please bless me with the finances to start a business and everything. And He did that, and he he blew my mind because I wasn't expecting the amount that I received, the amount that I could have do, because I saw hoodies, lashes, lip glosses, and all of that. So hats and all. So I didn't expect all that, but He has provided, and He is provider, and all I give praise to God, and I just have faith that He's gonna keep us this year and elevate us. And He put in my head growth and prosperity, and it's been in my head all year. So I created a vision board and prayed over it yesterday. It is New Year's Day, so I have this vision board, and it says 2021 whatever. I'm going to hide that name because there is a name right there. But basically it's very, very straight to the point. I'm praying for a godly relationship, and you can clearly tell what I like. But anyways, praying for abundance, prosperity, growth. I'm praying that I gain more followers. I've been on YouTube for 4 or 5 years now, and I'm still at 700. So I pray, I hope I will grow. So yeah, this past year in 2020, I was slacking on my outfits really because 2020. But This year, hopefully, I'll start even better. So, grow back on YouTube, be more consistent again with YouTube, because I fell out of faith and love for YouTube because everybody was doing it and it was just impossible. But hopefully, yeah. But these are my two brands. This is Tailored Enhancements and this is Tay.i.lored. Tay.i.lored is just where I sell my cosmetics, my clothing, and things like that. You guys know I'm a fashion major and all this stuff, and blah blah blah. Y'all know this. And Tailored Enhancements, you guys also know that I am a licensed esthetician. So I do skincare and things like that. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me any concerns or questions that you have, because I'm here to help and educate. So if you guys want more videos on aesthetics and skincare and body care or knowledge, product knowledge, or anything like that, what products you should be using, what products you need to throw away, what you should be doing at home and what you should not be doing at home, like microdermabrasion and dermaplaning and face vacuuming. Like, what we as estheticians are very cautious about that. Why are you doing that at home? Anyways, then I will feel free to just let me know. I'll definitely you know, talk to you guys on the behalf of that. Again, covering up the name. I have healthy eating on here and fitness because I know it's cliche, everybody says that, but this year I have to get on board because I have, I have polycystic ovarian syndrome. So, I'm gonna have a video on that talking about my problem, how it's been really pretty severe for me, and I just can't take it anymore. So I have to be healthy, eat right, because I can't eat like everybody else. You know, I can't do, or I have problems. You know, I have a ton of issues that come with polycystic, and it's embarrassing, and I hate it. I hate it so much. But I'm gonna have a whole video talking about polycystics. But in the meantime, I did make myself a thing, and it's called Project PCOS. I'll talk more about that in that video about my weight loss journey. Right now I'm at 190 pounds, so I'm trying to get back to a healthy level because with PCOS comes diabetes, and I've been pre-diabetic pretty much all my life, and I'm just out of balance. So anyways, I'm gonna have a whole video on that. That's gonna be my next video. I'm excited to talk to you guys about my Project PCOS. So now I'm back to here. I have an apartment. I plan on getting an apartment, moving out this year. I really do want to move out because I just need space. I need to expand. I have a lot of stuff, and my bedroom is not. I have a big bedroom. Everybody who's been in here knows it's huge, but I'm growing out of it. I just want to become an adult. I'm 22. I'm about to be 22 this year, and I just want to live on my own, and be independent and eat my own food. Not worry about if my food is going to be there the next day or, things like that. And I just feel like I don't want nobody invading my personal space or, I just need, I just gotta go. Anyways, it's not bad here. I'm not saying it's bad, but I just gotta be on my own. Some of y'all know if you're going through that phase. It's just, I know it's smart to obviously live with your parents, but I'm a type A personality, so y'all know it ain't gonna work. Anyways, eat healthy, get a new apartment, and I have things that say like millionaire because that's my goal. My goal is actually billionaire. I don't stop at millionaire, but my goal is billion. But I'm working towards millions right now. So, and then it says my business will prosper. And of course, y'all know I'm very spiritual. I don't even say religious because it's about the relationship with God, because that comes with the standards. Okay, because when you have a relationship with God, you just don't want to do things that, he said, those who love me follow my commandments. So you just naturally do it, I mean, of course we all flawed and everything like that, but you know what I'm trying to say. So I have my reading because I used to be in my word like that, but now I slacked off a little bit, but I'm getting back in my word. I have a study buddy, so he we will be doing that together. We're starting the book of Genesis again. We're going to start, and we're going to study because you want to study your word, not just read it. Like, you want to study and make sure you understand the context and things like that. So you really want to get in the word, and don't slack up on God, because you want him slacking on you. You complain when he slack on you, and he never slack on you, but he but you be complaining when you feel like he's not around. Well, if you don't take the time to go seek him, I mean, what do you expect? But anyways, he's there, but you just gotta, okay, God, I really need you. You know. Anyways, I'm keeping this quick. So, and then I want my business, like you said, to grow. See, I have a picture of the girl, she has all that, So those are my goals this year. I pray that I accomplish them, because I just been feeling like a failure. Like, I feel like, oh, everybody's accomplishing their stuff. I work so hard, sometimes harder, I feel like, and I get nowhere. But I'm praying for a year where I could feel like it's my turn, because I haven't had that. I'm always delayed, or I'm always under somebody's, or being walked over, or being pushed on the back burner, or second guessed, or things like that, looked over and things like that. And I just want a year where I feel like, okay, I've won something. I always felt like I haven't won anything. I just feel like I'm just kissing butt. And I've been put to the side, and nobody really understands or cares or things like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have a hype man. It's usually myself, and it's not really myself, really, to be honest. My hype man actually is my cousin. I love her so much. She's been, I'm always down, but she has been my rock. Nikki. She makes me feel so great, and she supports me 100%. And all the people who support me, I'm so appreciative. But I'm waiting for the day where I just can reach my goals and achieve my dreams. I can't do anything else. I told myself, I just know, I just can't. I can't live a life that it's not meant for me. I just can't. So I really pray that I can reach my goals, because I can't do anything but do that. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. It was short and sweet and simple. That's how I wanted it to be. I just wanted to get that Happy New Year's out. I love you all. Stay tuned for more videos. Please comment what you guys want to see. Your requests, please, because I can't record videos without knowing what you guys want to see. So yeah, guys, I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, comment down what your goals are for this year, because we can also have accountability buddies in here. Okay, so yeah.